Okay, so Ron, one of the points that Tim there brought up, and it's an important one, is that till now, international law has superseded Russian law, even for within the country. It does make sense, though, doesn't it, to change that? I mean, any country anywhere in the world would always want its own laws to be more important within its own borders. That's logical, isn't it?
Well, it sounds logical, but if you think a little bit deeper into it, it is actually a common practice that international law goes beyond national law. Bear in mind, we have a logical order of regional legislation, countrywide legislation, international legislation. By definition, the international law covers a wider set of areas. International law is set by all nations together in the framework of the UN or in other treaties. So the moment a country voluntarily adheres to a part of international law, it is understandable and logical that it adheres to that law. It's very strange if Russia would sign up to an international law system and then not live up to it. So international law is something which is by definition is above all national laws, and countries voluntarily adhere to it, yes or no. And I think Russia, by changing this constitutional paragraph, makes an important step away from international cooperation, away from the international community. And I deeply regret that, because Russia should and has to be a part of the global community. The world needs Russia, and Russia needs the world. Don't hide away from international obligations.